Hey, thank you for returning to my channel, Unique World. And if you are new, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I create a reversible holiday Christmas snowflake welcome sign that you can place on your porch. Alright, let's get started. And don't mind the falcon sign. They not doing too well this season, but let me know in the comments area who you guys are representing or who you guys root for in football, if you guys are a football fan. But I'm going to be revamping this one and making it into a welcome sign. So if you guys are new, I actually use this same paint on my kitchen cabinets, and I will leave the link above so that after this video you can go ahead and check out my renovations of my kitchen cabinets. I did make them black, but I'm going to be using this same paint to paint my welcome sign so I can place it on my porch. And here's my son. He wants to join me painting. I actually got this dog paw from Michael's, and it was like $1. The font that I'll be using is called Constellar, and what I'm basically going to be doing is putting the words welcome one at a time by duplicating each word so that they are the same exact size. Now I'm just going to align the words in order up and down, but I'm also going to be placing the mat at 12 by 24 so that it is long ways. And this is what the 12 by 24 mat looks like.
Ryan Little.
Now I'm just going to cut my contact paper, and yes, I use contact paper instead of the normal transfer tape because I like it for the fact that it is cheaper and I can reuse it and it works for me. I will also make sure that I put all the items that I use in the description box below. I also use a ruler to help make sure that it squeezes out any bubbles that are on the vinyl. And here's what your letters should look like after you place them on the wood. Now I'm going to use the rope that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to place it around the wood sign. And I'm going to use the glue gun to glue and make sure that it is stable and it is going around the wooden board. Now I'm just going to do the same thing and just flip the board over and do the bottom of the wooden sign. So I saw these really cute ornaments. They are like glitter sparkling ornaments, and I saw them at Dollar Tree, and they actually clip on. So I decided to clip these on the ropes of the wooden sign. And definitely kudos to the people who know how to do flower arrangements, because I'm not that good at doing that, but I did the best that I could. Now it's time to add some snowflakes to give it that holiday feel that you can put out after Thanksgiving or whenever you decide to decorate for the holidays. But in the comments below, let me know when you guys decide to decorate for the Christmas holiday. I also saw these snowflake string lights at Dollar Tree, and I decided to give it a try because I haven't seen a welcome sign that lights up, but I wanted to just kind of test it out and see how it would look if I add it to the welcome sign. Oh, and also these are battery operated string lights, and they use 2 AA batteries. I was actually expecting the snowflake lights to be white lights, but they're actually blue. Not sure if they have other snowflake lights that are white lights, but the ones that I got are blue.
Ryan Little. And this is what my welcome reversible sign looks like. And definitely, if you have not subscribed to my channel, Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss another DIY video from Unique World.